5 lead magnet idea that help you to get more sales and more leads into your funnel, into your business. So hi guys, this side Nilesh Jain, and I'm an affiliate marketer and also helping coaches and consultant to get grow their business with my personal framework that help them to get more sales and more leads. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the 5 lead magnet idea that help them to get more leads for free, and that leads help you to get more sales and more conversation in your business. So the first lead magnet idea is a Facebook group. The Facebook group is something that is a really a great lead magnet that you can use, and it is a really free lead magnet. That for that you don't need to invest any kind of money. You just need to set up a Facebook group according to your niche, according to your area of interest, and then in the group you need to provide value. You need to nurture your people, and that group get when that group get good visibility, good growth, you getting leads for free. So for that, I share with you the free group that I have. So this is my free group that is in front of you, and in this group I have around 357 members. So they all are my out of 357, few people are become my customer, few people I'm nurturing, and that is how I getting leads for free. And to get entry inside that Facebook group, people need to give their email address, and all the details I find in the members request. Currently I'm not open this because there is a all the details about new leads and all those things, so I'm not opening this. But new, if you see, I have 3 new requests today, so and 17 is pending, I need to approve them, right? So you need to optimize your Facebook group in a way so people get value, and when they get value, they're definitely ready to become your customer. So for that, I deliver value inside the guide section. If you see, there is a guide section. I do master class, I do all the other things, I do interviews. This is all the value content give inside my Facebook group, right? So people get nurture, people get value from this group, and it is very easy to convert them, right? So this is the first step. When people enter into the group, and from there they get nurture, they get value, and it is very easy to get conversation. So first lead magnet is a Facebook group. Now second lead magnet is a mini course. So mini course is something that you can set up for anything, like how to start with affiliate marketing, or how to do Facebook organic marketing, or something like that, right? So this is the kind of mini course. So for that, I set up my mini course inside the ClickFunnels. So you can look at this. This is my mini course, that is a kind of sales funnel and traffic mini course. So this is the all automation setup here. I create this landing page called sales funnel and traffic. So people enter in this group page, and they need to put their give their email address, and then at the end they get access to all the course, all the things like introduction, what is the sales funnel, how to get traffic, how to find clients and leads, and all those kind of things. This is the 5 videos that I have inside my landing page, right? And people get entry when they give their email address to me. This is the second lead magnet idea that everyone should use. Everyone apply this lead magnet idea. The third one is a free tutorial. Free tutorial is something that is kind of like how to use ClickFunnels, how to use something like so. I share with them step by step method, step by step process, how you can use. So for me, the free tutorial is all about like how I set up a ClickFunnels, how to build a funnel inside ClickFunnels. So it is look like same. Just now I mentioned with you a mini course, so it is look like the same, and so I will share with you once again. So this same setup I did for tutorial, but in that tutorial I only teach how to use ClickFunnels, like how to use any software or any kind of thing. So that is people more interested. If you are selling any software or something, right? So that is where you can use that kind of thing. And free tutorial is like work crazy because people get more value and more nurture from tutorial. And they, if you are affiliate for product, for a software, then definitely you can create a free tutorial. Then fourth is a challenges is a new edge marketing. And challenges is work like crazy because You are expert in your niche, you are expert in your market, you are expert in your in your area of interest, and you build your audience. Now you can do challenges, and challenges is a kind of new age marketing, right? So you do a challenges every month, and that challenges give you more leads, more sales, because okay, I do challenges every month, each month, and I generated around 30-50 leads. Sometime I do free challenges, sometime I do paid challenges, but both work crazy and give you a good lead magnet. So I'll show you one of my challenged funnel. This is the funnel that this is the challenge that I did recently, and that is about 5 days Facebook live challenge. So this is where need to give me people give their email address first to me. This is the If you see, this is the button, and once they give their email address, they are come into my automation, into my system, and from there I nurture them, I give them more value. And in this 5 days challenge, I deliver a great value. So I push them towards one step ahead. And when they are at one step ahead, they definitely ready to purchase any next product that I offer on the fourth or fifth day. Right. So that is how challenges is work. And it is a one to many selling process. So definitely it is going to work crazy. And the last one is a consulting. So consulting is something that is you can use, you can follow, you can apply for your business, and you can do a free consulting call, and there you can give the value. So I'll showcase you one of my screen. So today only I did one, like not today only, I do lots of time of consulting call, but this is an testimonial that I post today only, that deliver a great value and value in the people's life. And this is the how I get more leads. I get testimonial from there, and from this testimonial I'm also inviting more people towards my free call. Like if you see, if you are struggling in your business and want a solution, you can book a 30-minute free strategy call with me, right? So this is how I invite people for book a call with me, and that is how consulting call and free calls method work. You can apply this 5 lead magnet idea into your business, and it help you to get more leads, and definitely that leads is help you to get more sales. So which one lead magnet idea you are going to implement in your business, please do share with me in the comment section. And also if you wanted to know any specific topic on specific video on any specific topic, then just drop in the comment section. Please share your biggest takeaway in the comment, and please share this video with other, and take subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Till then, Nilesh Jain signing off. Have a great day.